told you that high blood pressure, once rare in India, has silently exploded into one of our biggest health crises. In 1950s, hypertension touched just 1 to 4% of urban adults. In 2000s, urban rates skyrocketed to 30 to 45%, and even rural areas were not spared, rising to 10 to 25%. Today, 1 in 5 Indian adults has hypertension, men slightly more than women. Half don't even know they have it, and only 12% have it under control. By 2040, prevalence is projected to hit nearly 27%, making India the second most hypertensive country worldwide. But there is hope. The India Hypertension Control Initiative has already enrolled 2.5 million patients, proving control rates can improve. And here is where conscious breathing comes in. Most people remain untreated or unaware, and breath based practices offer a low cost, natural tool to manage blood pressure and reclaim your health. Hypertension is rising, but with awareness, action, and conscious breathing, we can turn the tide. Are you ready to take the first deep breath toward your heart's health? Did you know that just by changing the way you breathe, you can lower your blood pressure without medicines, without side effects? I am Mridula, breath coach, and today I shall show you how simple breathing techniques can be your biggest friend against hypertension. Let's look at the research work done by a Professor Mark Cohen from Australia, where he systematically reviewed that simple yoga practices and conscious breathing can help manage BP naturally and effectively. Across the globe, more than 1 billion people are living with hypertension. It's responsible for nearly 13% of all deaths each year, making it a silent yet serious health challenge. This systematic review studied 120 different research papers with over 6,600 participants, including more than 2,400 people with hypertension. The findings are clear. Non drug interventions like yoga can reduce blood pressure by 3 to 32 mmHg, a difference that can protect the heart and prevent complications. The researchers carefully studied medical databases from around the world, including Indian journals. They focused on studies where yoga was the main therapy for lowering BP, with study durations ranging from just 1 week to several years. So, how does yoga actually bring BP down? It lowers stress. Slow, mindful breathing calms the mind and reduces stress hormones. It balances the nervous system. Yoga activates the parasympathetic system, allowing the body to relax and heal. It improves cardiovascular reflexes, making the heart and blood vessels respond better to daily stress. Most studies used Hatha Yoga, a combination of postures, meditation, and pranayama. Even simple breathing practices alone showed consistent reductions in BP. In one study, just 6 weeks of alternate nostril breathing lowered systolic BP by almost 5 mmHg. Another showed a drop of 20 mmHg in 4 weeks using integrated yoga practices. Compared to aerobic exercise, yoga not only lowered BP but also improved heart health and mood and overall well being. When yoga was combined with biofeedback, BP reductions of 26 by 16 mmHg were seen, and many people were able to reduce their medication. Even simple device guided breathing, where you are prompted to slow down your breath, produced a drop of 15 by 10 mmHg, proving the power of conscious breathing. Over the past 40 years, research consistently shows yoga lowers BP across different age groups, lifestyles, and even in people already on medication. It's safe, affordable, and has added benefits like weight management, improved cholesterol, and better emotional balance. Because yoga styles differ, studies vary in size and duration, and there is no single standard yoga protocol for hypertension. That's why medical guidelines are slow to include yoga as a formal recommendation, but the evidence is growing stronger every year. So, what's the key message? Hypertension is a silent problem, but your breath can be the solution. Start small, even 10 minutes of daily mindful breathing can calm your mind, relax your body, and help keep BP in check. Thank you for joining me today. I am Mridula reminding you take care of your breath and your BP will follow.